Calibrating your Yolk Colour Reader only takes a few simple steps. Before you begin, make sure you have your Yolk Colour Reader, the black and white calibration cards, and the Yolk Color fan ready. For accurate results, the Yolk Colour Reader should be calibrated at least monthly after a software update, and whenever the device has been transported, relocated, or serviced. To start the calibration process, open the EggQuality software. In the top menu, go to Settings, then select Measurement Devices. Find the Yolk Colour Reader in the list, right-click on it, and choose Calibrate. The calibration window will now open. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin. First, place the black calibration card over the sensor. Now click Next in the software to begin the black balance calibration. Once completed, replace it with the white calibration card and click Next again to perform the white balance. After this step, the device will guide you through the color calibration. Take the Yolk Color fan and place fan number 1 onto the sensor. Make sure each fan is positioned correctly on the sensor before proceeding to the next step. Click Next to confirm the measurement. Repeat this process step by step for all color fans, from 1 through 15, placing each one onto the sensor and confirming with Next. Once all color fans have been calibrated, click OK to complete the calibration process. Your Yolk Colour Reader is now successfully calibrated and ready for accurate measurements.